Seeing the EnviroCloth against those disinfecting wipes was pretty amazing, huh? It amazes me every time to know how effective these products are at cleaning. Now, seeing it against the disinfecting wipes was cool, but I want to show you something even cooler. So because the fibers in this cloth are so amazingly small, 1/200th of a human hair, that is really, really, really small, and they've got that star-shaped weave, they literally can grab and take everything from the surface, even down to the protein level. So I want to show you how that works. These are protein test swabs. This is what is used by health inspectors when they go into restaurants to test for cleanliness. These test for proteins. Now, proteins are smaller than a bacteria. Norwex is proven to remove 99% of bacteria using only water. So we're going to test it against proteins. So this is one of our amazing rice husk cutting boards, and I'm going to show you that this surface is clean and how these work. So you test the surface, and you can see that green is clean, all right? Now I'm going to take some juicy raw chicken and slime my cutting board all up here. And I take this same green strip and show you what happens in the presence of proteins. You can see that that is turning purple, okay? Purple stands for proteins. Proteins are there. Now I'm going to take my EnviroCloth, which is just wet with water, and I'm going to clean off this surface. All right, I think we're pretty good there. Throw that down. New test swab. Test it all over. And you can see that that one is green as well. Now, what if I was to take my cloth and clean a surface and pick up proteins and then keep on cleaning? We don't want to be spreading stuff all over the place, would we? Let's test this out. And you can see that that is staying green. Reason being is those super fine fibers literally hold on to and they don't want to let go until you take it over your sink, run it under some hot water and wash it away. Now I know somebody's going to think that one's a trick swab. It won't even turn purple. Let's test it on the chicken and find out. There you go. Totally turned purple. 2 purple swabs. I'm actually so confident that this cutting board is clean, I'm willing to do this. And take a big old lick out of that cutting board that just had raw chicken on it. And I've been doing that since June of 2020 and I haven't gotten sick yet. I love the way that these cloths clean. Now, the other really cool thing about these cloths is what we call backlock. Now, the backlock is microsilver that has been embedded in every bit of fiber in these cloths. This one cloth has 10 million feet of fiber in it. That is how fine these fibers are. If you were to unravel it, it would stretch all the way from Canada to the Gulf of Mexico. Now, I take this cloth over to my sink, I'm gonna run it under hot water, wring it out, and I'm gonna hang it to dry. As this cloth dries, that microsilver goes to work purifying this cloth, ridding it of the things that are gonna cause it to get stinky and smelly and mildewy and gross, so that I can use it over and over and over again. So I only wash my microfiber 1 day a week. Just keep using the same cloth. Saves so much on laundry, so much on just space, because I don't have to have 30 washcloths in my kitchen. I can have like 2. It's great. So I want to hear what you thought about this demo, all right? Tell me your comments.